The LMK camera device and RobFlow software is a combination of an imaging luminance measuring photometer with measuring robotic system for the determination and analysis of objective quality characteristics in brightness, color, and other visibility or recognition requirements.
Although RobFlow has been designed for different high-quality industrial robots for several manufacturers, however, in this case we are using a KUKA lightweight robot LBR EVA, nicknamed as Robbie.
The software gives the robotic arm freely programmable movement curves with haptic control and regulation to ensure a broad range of applications and provides the user with highest possible flexibility in its functions. The newest generation of this robot has been designed with 7 axes or rotation points that give a fluid movement to the robotic arm. It makes use of its integrated sensitivity to calibrate itself automatically and precisely according to the requirements of a certain operation. Moreover, it is extremely lightweight and easy to handle, which makes it even more pragmatic as compared to other stable stands. Apart from other existing tools in RobFlow, the integration of LMK makes this measuring robotic system highly practical for optical and haptic testing purposes. Combined with a high reproducibility of movement and positioning, it is ideal for production close quality control. The modular and highly adaptable structure of RobFlow offers a toolbox with selectable sensors, tools, and programming blocks which can be parameterized individually for a variety of measuring tasks. RobFlow comes with an array of manually guided movement modes of the robot called the Teach modes. You can activate any mode by clicking on it in the software, and the software then makes an instant connection with Robbie to execute it.
For instance, the first step is to click on the Teach mode Free, in which you can change all 6 degrees of positioning as well as the orientation of the camera. Now, by keeping the control handle pressed with one hand, move the robot tool with the other hand in any direction. Then you can click on Align to Surface and the Robbie will move around a scanned circle. And will then adjust on a perpendicular position to the optical axis of the LMK. Next, you use the translation mode to place the laser point on the desired object. In the translation mode, the orientation remains constant, no matter in which direction you move the camera. Lastly, you press Take Luminance Picture and the camera moves to the final position for taking the image. The viewing position and the distance are now set correctly for a sharp and centered image. The positioning of the camera relative to the measuring object is the main task of the robot and the purpose of the previous process. This luminance information, along with its respective position, can be saved on your computer and can be replicated anytime by RobFlow.
Due to the accuracy of LMK's mechanical mount and the high replication of movement and positioning by the measuring robotic system, one can demount the LMK from Robbie whenever required and use it for other purposes. However, once you place it back, it can always replicate the positions you have saved in the software, giving an absolutely new perspective to luminance analysis. Combined, LMK and RobFlow give a new functionality to existing systems and giving rise to an ideal measuring robotic system.